Hi guys, welcome to another video of Ben Gaming. In this video, I'll show you how to make a super compact garage door in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Let's see how it works. So if you flick this lever here, it pushes the garage door up, and if you flick it again, it closes. You need to decide where your garage door needs to be. So it's going to be a 6 wide, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 tall, 1, 2. Now let's break these blocks. Okay, so you want to dig down 4 blocks and place 4 blocks underneath it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you want to break all these blocks. Now you want to place a sticky piston and a normal piston. And you should do this all along here. Now you want to break all these blocks over here. Now you want to place light grey concrete powder all over here. Now you want to place lamps all along here. Now you want to go down a block. Now you want to put blocks all along here. Now set a repeater on 1 tick all along here. Now do this for the other side, except set your repeaters on 4 tick delay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you want to put a block here, put one here, and place blocks all along here. Now you want to place observers all along here, facing towards these pistons. Now you want to place torches all along here. Now blocks all along here. Now torches all along here. And blocks all along here. And here. If some blocks break, just replace them. Okay, now you want to place blocks all along here. You can also add some decorative blocks, for example, sea lanterns. Now, that's pretty much our door done. So, if we put some blocks along here, the only thing left to do is put repeaters all along here, some blocks along here, and you want to get some redstone dust. And place a lever here, flick it, that should close, and flick it again, that should open. Now you can decorate it all you want, but this is how I do it. So I just place some grey concrete all along here. And you can also make it 3 blocks high. And that's our garage door done. So flick this lever here and close it.